Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So guys, this is our second video, and then we're going to make a simple Lego car tutorial. Okay, so first one, the important thing one is this one. You must have this. If you don't have something like this, you cannot move. Your car cannot move because this one can move if you drag it nah like that. Look. Okay, so let's make it. This is the back side. Don't forget the lamp. Okay, and then we need look guys, is half finished. The top of the car. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. I'm sorry guys. Okay, so the top of the car and finish. So done. This is easy. This is simple. Very simple. And then if you think this cannot move, that's wrong. This simple Lego car can move. So let's see. Drag it, and then the car have the power to move forward. Look. And then she or he or it still have the power when it's already crash or what, it still have enough power to, like, I show you. Let's try it. Hold it, the wheel. Try again without dragging anymore. Yeah, that's right. It still have the power until the power is gone or finished. Yeah, it's already out the power. And then if already out, you can drag it more to make it have enough other power. Look, it's simple, right? So if you like this tutorial how to make a simple car but can move, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video underneath. Not underneath. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, thank you guys. This car is so good. It's so good. I approve. So this is some of the car photos from back, from the side, and then from the front. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks.